here is my haul from yesterday. Hello and welcome to episode 2 of my exhibition prep vlog series. I wanted to show you guys the haul of everything that I bought yesterday. It was such an exciting time going back to General Bazaar, which was one of my mom's and I's favorite place, like one of our weekend activities to do. My grandma used to live in Secunderabad, so we used to go on the weekends to go visit her, and then on the way back or on the way there we would always stop at General Bazaar and go through the small little lanes, picking out all different knickknacks and materials. And for somebody who grew up as an artist, like, it was very exciting because you'd find all kinds of materials, shiny things, colorful things. And yeah, it was a really fun and exciting experience yesterday to go through the streets all over again. And surprisingly, I think I found pretty much everything that I was looking for. Here is my haul from yesterday. It's really messy in here, but just check out all the stuff that I got. Let's go through them one by one. So here I picked up some really beautiful organza fabrics, and these are simple net fabrics. Here are some satin fabrics that I really love. I think the combination of these satin fabrics plus these net and organza will look really beautiful. And over here we got all of these beautiful items which I'm gonna be repurposing for the purpose of the sculpture, but they're also looking very fruit-like, very alien-like, which kind of really goes along with the theme of what I'm trying to do. So I had to pick up a bunch, and I'm gonna experiment a lot with that, so I'm really excited. There's so many pretty things in here. All of these little fruits, little leaves, and I'm so excited to play with all of this. Got some really beautiful textural ribbons, some more hanging bead-like things, more beautiful textural ribbons, and a lot of like sparkly things. Looking at all of this stuff now, I'm just imagining all of the different color combinations, textural combinations, and I have my trusty sewing machine here, which I'm gonna be using the fuck out of. Come with me through the process of changing up this room, making a setup into a sewing workshop. Let's go!
Remember all the happy times we had.
Okay, so I got my sewing machine set up here. Got all of my little baubles, trinkets for my fashion. Got the little sewing kit. I got a lot more sewing supplies here. I guess the next step will be putting together all of the drawings that I have for it and kind of planning out how each of those things is going to fit together. I don't want to waste the materials because it was actually really expensive all added up. It was also affordable, like everything was not so expensive, but all together, like everything was really expensive. And also, since going there, I think I've come up with so many more ideas for what sculptures could look like in my head. After looking at all of the different colors of fabrics and the different ornamental things which we bought to add on, I think there's so many more possibilities now in my head. Hello friends, and welcome to the cooking portion of this video that you didn't ask for. Today I'm making a keema pasta with leftover keema, skillfully combined in a bechamel sauce with a lot of cheese. Enjoy!
Hope you guys are having fun so far.
Is blue, living is gone. Summer just sleeping in Springdale. Go